Here's a top 5 used affordable cars that are family friendly. Save this video for future references. Sitting at the number 1 spot is the Honda Jazz 1.3A 2019. This car is very easy and fun to drive. It's also easy to park as the car is not that big. It is also very spacious and the wonders of magic seats make it more comfortable for the passengers. Number 2 on this list, Honda Vezel Hybrid 1.5AX 2017. This is slightly different from the first one. It's an SUV vehicle and a family-friendly car. The car is not only famous and demanding because of its eco-friendly nature or fuel efficiency, but also due to its top-class performance. Honda Vezel is an overall safe, reliable, and affordable car. Alright, the number 3 on this list is the Honda Shuttle Hybrid 1.5A 2018. Out of all the models in this list, it's also the most energy efficient. Do consider it if you want to save more on petrol. It has great space for passengers and is slightly bigger than the Honda Jazz.
Follow us for part 2.